we're gonna be back testing. Where's a good place to put this? Um, yeah, right here is probably as good as anywhere. Oh. It's 8:30, almost 8:25. Pretty tired, honestly. Like, yeah, I'm just pretty tired. Like, I don't know, but yeah, this is the one I was just back testing, and it's just kind of nice to just kind of want to talk while I do it. So what I've been doing is I'll just random bar and then scale up to the 30 minute. Oh, what I do want to do is I want to um I want to all be oops. Try, my clicking isn't working. My clicking isn't uh okay. I want to try to identify an SMT divergence. So yeah, I'll pull that right there. And then because it's just I don't really understand it. I mean, it's not even that I don't understand it. It's just confusing. I guess yeah, I don't fully understand it, but I think I have a decent gist. Ooh, where's that line at? Vertical line. Let's try this one more time. I want it to stop right there. Mm-mm-mm. Let it develop. And stop. One more. Oop. All right. All right. Oh, sweet. This is like not long after that. If you're wondering what these boxes are, blue is Tokyo session, yellow is London, and um, green is New York. So first, what I do is I just mark out these highs and lows. And from the look of this, looks like we're bearish. But I'll scale up in just a second. The high's pretty irrelevant. Do we have much else? We have London session low, but I mean, if we're taking out this low, we're taking this low with it. You know, we're not leaving that little tiny room right there. Nah. So I'm just gonna boom. One thing I've been taking into consideration and trying to focus on is I think of highs as the end of it's fine. Like right there. But a lot of times it won't take the bottom of this, but it will come up to like where the wick is, I guess. Like where the body ends, but not where the wick is. So I'm just gonna try and pay attention to that and see the differences I notice. This looks like an hourly draw on liquidity. And let's look. So we're bullish on the 1 hour, but we definitely could just be respecting that fair value gap and going bearish. So what I'm thinking is we're gonna manipulate this high, and then we're gonna come take this, possibly take that, possibly take that, and then boom. Equal high, equal lows, relative equal lows. What's the difference on those? Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. All right. Let's see. If I switch, is it gonna stay in replay at the same time if I switch over? Yeah. It looks like this draw on liquidity was taken. They snatched that. Did I miss that? Did the same? Oh. Yeah, nah. So wait. That means something. What exactly does that mean? I'm not sure. Is this what I want? Array? Does that not stop? I just want to draw a line. No, not that. Nope. Path? Oh, whoa, stop. Wait, Alright, that works. It's alright. Okay. So that's going up arrow. This is going okay, come on. Boom. Down arrow. So that means this one so what's happening? So we're bearish for the day, it looks like. And this is showing me that NASDAQ wants to go lower than the S&P. That NASDAQ is more bearish. So we're going to take this on NASDAQ. We're going to mark out our confluences. But first I got to get rid of all of this because it's hella confusing. And that looks like equal highs. Or equal lows of it, too. It's like a strong draw on liquidity right there. Scale down a little bit. Oh yeah, nice. Tokyo low. London. Yeah, I don't even need that. And if I'm wrong about that, then it's a good learning. I guess I'll leave it there just to see, and then that's gonna be good. Take it if we go lower. Okay. Now let's scale down to the 5 minute. What? Yeah, we're already at 9:25. All right. Oh shoot, I should probably mark that. Okay. Let's see what is going on here. So it's 9:55. We saw inverse fair value gap right there. Bearish confluence. No real draw, no like liquidity taken or anything. It's 9:55, pretty late in the day already. It looks like we hit equilibrium to the downside. Yeah, for sure. So there's a bearish confluence. If we don't take liquidity up here, this could just be a continuation. And then if we yeah, this would be like, I don't feel confident in this. That would be our thing, which this would be like full take profit. This would be take profit 1, take profit 2, 3, 4. Yeah. But I want to see this liquidity get taken. But it's already 9:55. So do we think that's going to happen? I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. Nice. Okay. Perfect. Just what we wanted. Okay. Let me actually short. Okay. That should be everything I need, really. Let's give it another candle. Nice. We took this liquidity right here. And then we tap into equilibrium. Equilibrium to the upside. Is that not what we want? But move up, down. Am I tweaking? A low to a high. Yeah, we don't even have. Yeah, I am tweaking. Do we respect this fair value gap? Looks like we inversed it. Yeah, we did. But I mean, we have our draw on liquidity. Here's our 1 minute low. It's happening on the 5 minute. Yeah, it looks like we took that liquidity and we're about to come lower. So now do we tap into equilibrium? A high to a low. Yes, we do. If we break below this low, then I think we're going lower. Yeah, for sure. There it is. Boom, right there. Break candle to the downside. Okay. Let's set this up. Short this from here. I'm just gonna go to take profit 1. If that's a good risk reward, that's fine. Yeah. And then let's see how this plays out. Good. And stopped out. Okay. So, do we respect this fair value gap? No, we inversed it. That's weird. But I wasn't really too worried about it. Hmm. Let's. What happens on ES? God, that looks awful. This at least started low and then went high, but that's just awful. I mean, like, unless you were to take this liquidity sweep and then you don't even have any retracement. Yeah, no, that's just like bad to look at. Okay. What keeps on happening? Like what continues out of this? Do we go higher? What I do notice, and I don't really know how you can use this, but price went up very like quickly here, came swiftly down, and this move down looks a lot like that move up. Well, that's just straight up. But we did come down to this low. We did take the London session low. So what happened is we came up and we took these highs up here. Yeah, we took out that high. And then we went lower. When did we take this? See, like around 11 o'clock. That's pretty late. Or, well, I guess that would be 10 o'clock for me. That's not that late. But then we don't take profit. We wouldn't end up taking any profits until 14:39. Is that super late? I'm not even sure. All right, time for the next one. I mean, I guess we can go into this and see how we could have taken this. We did it better. We wait for price to take this. And then it's just straight bearish from there. Might be a little doji. On the 1 minute, I'm seeing a fair value gap right here. Got inversed. Or it got it got inverse to the upside. Then it did hit equilibrium. And immediately after we break structure to the downside. And if you can get in from even up here, like to take our previous today lows, insane. And then to take London lows, it's even crazier. So, yeah. New day, new day. Random bar. Alright. 15-minute. And then just let this. Okay. My hands are very dry. Alright. We have another 15 or so minutes. I'm starting to get like little bit less locked in and completely focused. So I would usually take not usually, because I don't I don't usually back test. I did yesterday, which is good, and I am today, which is very good. And I'm just like looking at this, oh, but I'm seeing a lot of stacked liquidity right there. But usually I would take a walk, right? Not even right now, just like in general, or take a 5 minute break and then come back. But if anything, I want to see all three of those get taken and we go higher. And we probably take this high right there. But alright, I don't want to spoil this. So if I go back to play it safe at 8:45, what is going on in the 1 hour? Oh, oops. All right. Okay. Those look like stacked lows that we're about to take and go higher because this thing is booming. On the 1 hour, we are bearish, but I don't think we're gonna stay bearish. I want to. This just looks like it's gonna go higher. I don't know. It just looks like it's gonna go higher. I want to see this go higher, and we also have two stacked draws on liquidity right there. I hear someone walking. Yeah, I don't know. But okay. I was confused why nothing else was popping up. There's a low. There's a low. And I don't expect to take these lows. If we were to take a high and come and there's equal lows. If we were to, what would be like insane, like this insane, is if we were to take out this high and push and take all those lows, and possibly this one. That would be crazy. But let's scale down and see what happens. All right. Where are we at? 9 o'clock. Let's see, 9:15. All right, market's about to open. Okay. A little bit farther in than I wanted. Let's go back to out here. Okay, so see another minute. See another minute. We just took out both of those lows. We can either come down and take out this low, retracement, and that's not looking like it's coming right back from that. So what's this? Fair value gap respected. Yeah. inverse fair value gap now. Okay, could be going higher. Looks like we broke past that. I don't really know too much about the 79% bit retracement thing, but I think it's like equilibrium's here. If you push past here, it's more likely to go turn around. So I want to stay within that range. But let's see. To this next candle, fair value gap. Either did inverse this. We definitely could have taken these lows, and now we're going for this high. If so, I want to see it down. I want to see a down candle. I want to see a down candle. I mean, definitely the best entry here would have been right there. We tapped into equilibrium, push past, move up and move down, push past this high, and then we enter right here for that. Yeah. That could definitely be an option. But let's see. Down candle, nowhere near equilibrium. That's for sure. Now, are we coming into that fair value gap? Nope. Go higher, respect the. It looks like we're gonna respect this fair value gap. Do we inverse this one? Ooh, it doesn't look like it. Scale up. What's happening right now on the 5 minute? It looks like we're just respecting this on the 5 minute, and then we're gonna go lower. All right. Nothing is happening. Let's go. Let's jump 4 or 5. Ooh. Straight candle to the downside. Get rid of that. I don't need that. See, that low was taken. This low was taken. This is our low. No highs have been really contested or anything. Ooh. That looks like a draw on liquidity and a half. The half right there. How do I make a line? A line from here to a line from there. Doesn't look like that. Doesn't look like that. I want to figure this out. Measure? What's that do? Nope. Okay. Take some notes. No. Is it arrow? I mean, that works. For sure, that works. So on NQ, we had a low here. We made a higher low. We made a higher low. And on that same, we made a lower low here. And, excuse me. What I want to see is for us to push higher. I want to see us take out these highs up here. So I would want to. That's down. That's up. I'd want to take this on NQ. On the deck. Okay. So, alright. From here, I want to see this low get pushed below. And then I want to see. Wait a second. We took liquidity here. But we didn't here. Okay. So let's see what happens. Let's play another candle. Let's play another. Is that an inverse fair value gap or no? Yeah, it is. We inverse this fair value gap. I mean, I feel like it's gonna go higher from here, but we didn't take liquidity. And that would be good. For sure. What's happening on the 5 minute? I don't even have break of structure. Inverse, like, is a bit inverse fair value gap, like, is a break of structure, I think. Not I think, but I like saying. Okay, whatever. Let's play another candle. Are you fucking serious? I can't go back. God, wrong button. It's straight tweaking. Oops. Alright, well, let's work with it. Looks like we're just pushing lower. And it's 10:40 in the day. And then, yeah, see a retrace and intersect that fair value gap, and we push lower. We take that. Yep. So it looks like I was wrong. And I would have had to have taken. Oh, I got rid of my thing. I don't even really know how to get it back. Let's see, where's indicators? What's this? I didn't. What's that? I don't know. Damn keyboard in the way, dude. I don't know. And it says it at the top of my. Oh, there we go. Nice. No, it didn't keep my settings. That's so cooked. That's so cooked. I'm gonna have to go through and change all these again. God. I'm about to sit here and hit the back arrow until it's back. But I'll do that in a second. Shoot. My timer's about to go off. It's fine. I'll stop it whenever it goes off. I kind of like to. We would have had to have taken a continuation trade here because we're going bearish. We had a lot of price movement, so this would have been a good day. And we can. Oh, it's going off. Done. And we can see price comes down a lot. Whenever we expected this, that could have been a good sign. But yeah, we just never really had a good draw on liquidity or anything to take this trade. It just didn't really align with my strategy, I guess. And we probably would have gone out, had first take profits here. Or nah. See, that's what I don't like about this one. It makes the London session look like it's all the way down here. But then really, it's like right there. Very serious about these back arrows. I can't go back anymore. God. Serious? How do I make my own? Pine script or a remix? It's an existing one. Good. You can now resize the editor and switch between floating workflow that fits your style. Alright, we're about to make. We're about to. I want to learn how to roll my R's. I think so. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out how to do this. Alright. I think I'm gonna call it.